was 3:50 a.m. on a Sunday morning. I went outside for a cigarette. When I turned to my right, I seen a triangular-shaped black object, no sound, with a red dome underneath. As I tried to get my camcorder out, I only caught it as it flew off. I was numb, amazed, and I knew it wasn't ours. I knew, I was in the army. I know what a helicopter is, a drone, a plane. I've seen all, but it was the sound, most of all, that anything could be just hovering 20 feet off the ground, and then just. What drew my attention was the night before, when I looked over towards Black Rock. There was like an orb, and it kept moving erratically. It'd fall, it'd go back up, do a circle, or it was like it was performing. I've never told anybody, only my 2 sons and my wife. Until now, I'm 72 years of age, and I thought, I just have to get this out and tell somebody. It's a big universe out there. I just don't think we're the only ones. So whether people want to believe that or not, it's entirely up to yourselves.